In this video, we're going to talk about how to find manuals and tutorials on the internet. We've all experienced that moment when we have an electronic device or anything else we've bought and we've misplaced the manual. Well, the internet is a good place to find it. Let's try, for example, with a Canon camera. Let's switch to Google here. And the first thing we're going to do is search for the manufacturer's website, in this case, Canon. So, we go to the manufacturer's official website, and here we'll search for Help, Support, Downloads. In this case, we would be in Help. And within Help, we have Downloads and Help. Here, we can find software, manuals. Each manufacturer is different, but looking under Help or Support, Downloads, we will find what we're looking for. Here, we would go to Manuals. And here, we would specify which product we want. Let's say it's a Canon EOS 450D. Camera, it is shown here. We double click. See, we can download drivers, software, and manuals. Here, we have more detailed information about the product. In the manual section, we find the camera's user guide. We can download it. It asks us to accept the terms and conditions, and it downloads a PDF, which is exactly the same manual that came with the camera. And let's search for another company to try, LG TVs. So we go to LG.com. Here we have support in this case. And in support we have manuals. Sorry, it's jumping a bit, but manuals and software documents. Anything is to go to the manufacturer's website and look for a section where you can download it. Almost everyone has it nowadays. Then I also wanted to talk to you about sorry, it's not what I wanted. I want to go back here to where we were, and I want to go back to the PowerPoint that is here. Why? Because I wanted to talk to you about sites to search for tutorials. Nowadays, there are fewer and fewer. There used to be more. So today, we increasingly find more tutorials on YouTube in video format. Anyone looking for a tutorial can find it on YouTube. But I wanted to mention a couple. One of them is called Abacdatos, which is a manual aggregator. I have it here. Let's type in Abacdatos, abacdatos.com. It's a compilation of tutorials. Look, here we can enter, for example, Excel. And we can go here and see a tutorial on pivot tables with Excel, which takes a while, but okay. Another tutorial site is called monografias.com, in which there is a tutorial on pivot tables. Then I wanted to give you an example of a tutorial site specifically for Excel in English called dailydoseofexcel.com, in which there are a lot of articles compiled on how to use Excel. If we go here to the right, we can see categories such as errors, creating charts, columns and rows. Then there's one called For Normal People, which includes simpler articles, like how to add tables or table tools. It's in English though. In this case, if we don't know English, we could use online translators mentioned in another video. Just like this one, we can find tutorial sites for various software or even hobbies. It's just a matter of looking for them, and once we have them, we can save them. From that point on, whenever we want to search, we can always turn to them.